Hi, this is Shashank. I am basically a third engineer and as I posted as a merchant navy. I am doing job in merchant ships. So today I am explain about you the fuel oil system of the merchant navy ships. So basically the fuel oil system is going on. Mostly heavy fuel oil is used in ships. It's known as a HFO. It is coming on different grades. So basically we are taking as a depending upon the viscosity. So viscosity, as you know, that the fluid at the particular temperature is flowing from one direction to other direction is called as, the term is known as viscosity. It is coming on different grades and different centistrokes. So centistroke is the unit of the viscosity. So it is coming on 380 380 CST. CST is the unit of the viscosity for the particular temperature. Generally we are taking as a 98 degrees Celsius, where the fluid where this fuel oil is used in ships, and it is going for purification, and mostly the purifiers are used. Purifier, as you know, that it is the working principle is a centrifugal force. So I am going for the diagram for the purifier. Okay. So where the heavy fuel oil is coming from the coming to the purifier, and it is basically working on the centrifugal force, and where this is these are the discs. Is mostly generally it is constructed as a conical shape. This is called bowl hood, and this is called inlet pipe. This is upper chamber. This is called lower chamber. In between there is a this is called impeller disc. Okay, so is is coming to the purifier, and this is the inlet pipe. It's the temperature near about 80 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. So where the heavy fuel oil is coming from this settling tank, it is coming to the purifier, and this is the inlet pipe. These are the these are the discs. It is constructed as a conical shape. So where it is rotate about 8,000 rpm to 10,000 rpm, depending upon the construction of the and the requirement of the purifier. So, and also depending upon the company. So where the disc is rotating, due to the centrifugal force, the heavy particles is deposited here. These are the sludge ports. Okay, these are the sludge ports. So after this operation, near about every 30-minute operation, we need to desludge the purifier. So it is depending upon the manning of the ship. Where it is unmanned ship, so it is doing by automatically. Otherwise, it is going for manual manual desludging operation is going on. So where the heavy particles is deposited here, these two ports, and the clean oil. These are the ports right through here. Right through here, it is going. This clean oil is going to the here, this portion, and it is coming to the going for the service tank. So this is the main basical of the fuel system of the purification process for the merchant ships. Now I am going for the schematic diagram. It is known as also line diagram for the fuel oil system. Now I am going to explain you about the line diagram for the fuel oil system. So here is the bunker line. This is the bunker manifold. It is coming to the HFO settling tank. This is called as HFO settling tank, where the temperature about 65 degrees Celsius. Here the one drain line is given and one heater line is given. This is steam in and out. So if the temperature, when we are going for the Arctic regions and the Atlantic regions, so here the temperature is coming to the -°C. So for the prevention for the fuel oil system, for the purification, so we are given here steam line system. Now for the here, when the fuel is coming here, the water is coming, the heavy oil is coming down, so the oil will float here, and the water contents, this is called drain. Then it's going to purifier. Now I am going for explaining for the purifier like this symbols. This is called purifier, and after the purification, it is going for the service tank. Same system is given here: steam in, steam out. Drain line is given. Okay. Now from here, it is going to main engine system. Here the temperature is near about 90 to 95 degrees Celsius. It is going to booster pumps. There are two booster pumps here. These are called two booster pumps. After it is going to one is standby and one is in an operation position. It is going to then it is going to circulating pump. There are two pumps are given, same situation. It is going to viscotron. Why viscotron is given? Viscotron is generally, it is mixed with the two fuel oil and also the maintaining the pressure difference between the two fluids, two fuels with the different temperature grades. After viscotron, it is going to inline filter. This is called inline filter. Here also one drain line system is given, and it is directly going to the main engine for the different units. Depending upon the horsepower we needs. This is going for fuel injection system. Here the temperature is near about 120 to 130 degrees Celsius. After using the fuel, whatever the extra fuel which is coming out from the fuel injection system, it is going to the fuel oil drain tank. This is a separate tank, and by through the HFO transfer pump, it is going to service tank. It is recirculating in manifold. This is called fuel oil system. So next we are talk about the lube oil system. So whatever the, sorry for the drawings, and might be the handwriting is not good. So kindly follow this system for the fuel oil system for the ship. And next we are talking about the lube oil system, and kindly comment about this diagram and everything else. Thank you.